Well, you're seeing today a phenomenal structure that we've been building that nobody has really seen up until now. It's the Central Tunnel. It'll open in October of 2024. It provides a straight shot from Concourse A to Concourse B.
Instead of having to walk halfway down Concourse A to get to the B concourse, you're going to come down those escalators and walk straight over to the B concourse. This will be a really significant and I think fabulous improvement in the airport experience.
I call it the river tunnel. So behind you, you can see over there that blue material that's lit up. That is the lighting for the ceiling all the way down. Everything that we've done here, it's really all about making that passenger experience super special, that when you are in this airport, you know you're in Utah, and you think, wow, this is one of the most beautiful airports I've ever been in.
The tunnel itself, passenger walking area in the center, moving sidewalks on either side, the entire length of the tunnel. And then for the future, we'll have an automated people mover down here. So that is a train cell on either side here. And you're actually standing in what will be the future train station at this end. It took a lot for everybody to get to this point. A lot of passengers had to deal with some different challenges in flying, but everything we do from here on out is just going to get us closer and closer to our new airport.